Hey everyone, this video will be my review of what I thought were the best projects of the iGEM 2020 competition day 2. If you haven't seen my review of the competition day 1, make sure to check that out as well. The first project I wanted to highlight is Sparkle from Team Estonia-TUIT. This team created an optimized yeast strain for producing lipid products. They demonstrated an increase in lipid droplets with their series of gene knockouts. Then they proceeded to functionalize the yeast cells with indium phosphide nanoparticles, which effectively allowed the yeast to regenerate NADPH with light exposure. The second project I wanted to highlight is Picachu from Team Lynx China. This team created a humidity-based power generation device utilizing electrically conducting pili produced in E. coli. While the current produced in this setup was only 0.003 milliamps and the voltage produced was only 0.3 volts at its maximum, I still found the concept to be interesting and different from the microbial fuel cells that you often see. The third project I wanted to highlight is Hairdye from Team Shanghai-SFLS-SPBS. This team enzymatically created a melanin black dye, an indigo blue dye, a dopazanthine yellow dye, an indolene beta-cyanin red dye, and a dopamine brown dye. They then tested these dyes on hair samples and compared it to commercial chemicals. If any of these projects interested you at all, I've included the wikis for all the highlighted projects in the video description below. You can go into more detail with the methods and experiments on the wikis, and I definitely recommend checking them out. Also, I'll be dropping my review for the best projects for day 3 as well, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.